Hi everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick real estate market update. Given everything that's happening with COVID-19 and the way it's affecting the world and the economy right now, I'm getting a lot of questions about how it's affecting the real estate market. So every couple of days I'm going to provide just a quick and dirty, unfiltered video, very much like this one, to give you a quick little update on the market. So without further ado, we'll get right into the stats. So in Guelph, over the past 3 days, the average days on market for the homes that have sold is 9 days. So homes are still selling very quickly. It's taking just over a week for the ones that are selling. Sale price to list price ratio is 104.7%. So the average home is getting 4.7% over list price. Now, with regard to the number of listings out there, there's currently 157 listings in Guelph. And for the listings that are still active, on average, they've been active for 25 days. So we're starting to see some of the properties taking a little bit longer to sell. But with that said, some of those figures are skewed from prior to COVID-19 really taking effect here in Ontario. When we look at Waterloo region, the average days on market for the homes sold in the last 3 days is 15 days. Now this seems quite high, so when I looked at the median days on market, the median days is 8 days, which seems a little bit more realistic in Waterloo region, which is very hot right now. Sale to list price ratio in Waterloo region over the past 3 days is 106.52%. So again, the average home is getting 6.52% over list price. Now, these numbers could change drastically. They could change quickly. We don't know. What I can tell you, inventory is still very low right now. It still seems like buyers are out there. They're wanting to get out there and see homes. So if that continues, I can see the market remaining fairly stable. But again, we're in uncharted territory right now, so we really don't know what's going to happen. So the best thing I could do is keep you informed. The way I'm operating right now is I'm still taking meetings. If at all possible, I'm doing video meetings, telephone calls. We're doing the best we can, but still showing properties. And if you're looking to list your home, I'm still happy to help you out. One thing that our brokerage has done, and I fully support, has stopped all open houses. So you won't see any open houses from our brokerage. Of course, we don't want people going through the masses at this point in time. And with open houses, it's difficult to track who's been in the home. So we're taking precautions for our buyers, we're taking precautions for our sellers, and of course, for the community at large. So if you'd like to chat, if you have any questions about the market, feel free to reach out to me. And again, more than usual, I'm going to be providing video updates with regard to the market every few days. Thanks for joining me. Stay safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon.